Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, we shall see how to add decimals, and this time if we have variables given to us in the problem, and if the values of the variables are given to us, and then if the variables and the values are in terms of decimal numbers, we will see how to add them. So let me explain this example here. Let me write it down. We want to evaluate this expression a plus b plus c when a, the value of a is 2.6, the value of b is 8.9, and the value of c is 5.8. 5.8, yeah. And therefore we want to explain the solution in terms of these different steps which we've been talking about in these different examples in here. In the first step, we will substitute the values of a, b and c into the given equation, and we can write it out as follows: 2.6 for a plus 8.9 for b and 5.8 for c. So we have substituted the values of the variables a, b and c as 2.6, 8.9 and 5.8. Then as step 2, we're going to write these numbers vertically so we can align the decimal point. So how do we do that? 2.6, 8.9 and 5.8. So these are the numbers we have, and we want to, as step number 3, we want to add these numbers as if we are adding whole numbers. And how do we do that? When we add them, 6 plus 9 plus 8 is going to be equal to 23. So we carry the 2 and then write the 3 first, and then 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 8 plus 5 is 17. So therefore we write the 7, and then since there are no more numbers to carry on or to add, so we write the 7 here to the left of the 7, and therefore in step number 4 we're going to come back and then place the decimal point just below the where the rest of the decimal places are located. So the decimal place is located there, and therefore 17.3 is our answer. 17.3 is our answer for this particular problem. When we add 2.6 plus 8.9 plus 5.8, the value comes out as 17.3. Okay, let us look at another similar type of an example just to understand this type of a procedure a little better. Let's say this time we want to evaluate u plus v plus w when the values of these variables are given to us, when u is equal to 8.84 and the value of v is equal to 4.05 and the value of w is equal to 2.19. So the way we want to solve these types of problems is step number 1. We'll explain that in these different steps. First, we will substitute the values of the variables into the given expression, and therefore for u we're going to write 8.84, and for v we're going to write 4.05, and for w we're going to write 2.19. And now as step 2 we're going to write the numbers down by aligning the decimal point. So how do we do that? Like this: 8.84, 15.05. We're aligning the decimal point. The decimal point is in the same vertical line. 2.19. So these are the three numbers we have, and therefore as step number 3 we're going to add these numbers as if we are going to add whole numbers. Therefore 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, so we carry the 1 and then write the 8 there. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, so we carry the 1 and then write the 0 there. And then 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 2 is 15, so we write the 5 here, and we can write the 1 there, and there is no other number to add, so therefore we carry the 1 all the way down. Therefore our answer is 15.08. So in step number 4, if we want to complete all the procedures, we place the decimal point just below the rest of the decimal places for the given numbers. So 15.08 is our answer. 15.08 is where we want to leave it, and that is our answer. In my next presentation, we shall see how to perform subtraction with decimals.